have Subway and Little Caesars here, like right across from the station in Jasper. That's what I can see, and they have other restaurants. I was told they were open this morning. The sunlight just came out not too long ago. But I didn't walk around because it's freezing and it was pitch black at like 8 in the morning. And then they have another train right there. I think we're leaving now because the train is moving. Even though there was no announcement or anything. I would say there were a lack of announcements. I guess we are leaving. And this is Jasper, Canada. I think Jasper, Alberta, Canada. If it was daylight like now, I would get out and go walk around because it looks nice. But when it was time to walk around, it was pitch black. And I think they started walking around at like 6:30. I'm not sure. Yep, we're definitely leaving. Yeah, and there was no announcement that we were leaving. Yeah, look at that mountain right there. If you like, watch, and subscribe.